In this video, we'll show you how to make a natural floor cleaner. So this is a one-time use product. You'll need 2 gallons of hot water, and then you'll add a 1/4 cup of Castile soap. We like using Dr. Bronner's, but there's other great brands on the market. And then you'll add 5 to 10 drops of essential oils. And you want to use essential oils that have antibacterial properties like lavender, tea tree, peppermint, or lemon, because this gives the floor cleaner a nice extra cleaning boost. And all you do is add these all into a bucket, and then you can clean your floors with either a sponge or a mop or a microfiber cloth. Just use it however you would a normal floor cleaner. And we like Castile soap for this recipe because it's really gentle on floors. So it's also a really great cleaner. You'll see vinegar used in a lot of recipes, and vinegar is great on cleaning up grease, but it doesn't clean away dirt. So Castile soap is able to do both, so it's a really great option. And then the essential oils will add their antibacterial properties, so it helps to boost the cleaning power of this product. This is going to be safe on almost all floors. You just want to avoid using it on floors with a wax finishing because the Castile soap can, over time, wear away the finishing. And if you have these kind of floors, you can substitute washing soda in instead. And that is your all-natural floor cleaner.